Yum. So the boys are having crumpets. They had banana as well, and they're having a green smoothie for breakfast. You're having Vegemite?
Yeah, go to bed.
Hey?
Coffee?
Do you like Vegemite?
Hmm?
That's Vegemite there on your crumpet.
Yeah.
And smoothie. Yummy smoothie.
Yeah.
I've just got my coffee this morning. Oh, that's a bit of smoothie. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just about ready to head out the door. We're going to go to IKEA today, so I thought I'd take you guys along. What's wrong? What's wrong? You want your smoothie? There we go. Yep, so we're just about to head out the door with my sister. She's here, and yeah, we're going to do some looking around at some furniture and like house things. I love looking at house decor and all that because we will be moving into our own house hopefully at the end of this year. So we want to like redecorate the whole house and get new furniture and just start off fresh with everything we like. So I'm really excited for that, just to get some ideas and everything. I've got some snacks here ready to go for the boys. Always need snacks. Always. So we've got some apples, some crackers, some yogurt, some fruit bars, Kai's bottle, and then their waters, of course. So we're going to jump in the car and I'll see you there. Guys, look at all these leaves that's just blown into my front door. Nice. Golden hour. Someone's tired. This way. Okay, we're both in trolleys, ready to tackle this. Panda? It's a polar bear. You want a polar bear? Nice big cuddly polar bear. Do you want him? Yeah. Aww, cuddles. Which one do you want? Little or big one? Put him on the bed?
Yeah.
Do you want the little one or the big one? Over here? Okay. Look! It's a vampire! Ah! Hey, I don't know which one he wants. Which one do you want? Oh, he doesn't like it! Oh! You want that one? You want this one? You look like a panda?
No. I want the monkey.
You want the monkey?
Yeah.
You keep changing your mind.
I want the monkey.
Monkey. Oh, look.
Yeah.
Okay. Which way? This way? What? Have a look. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Is anyone home? Hello? Can I come in? Can I come in?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay guys, we just got home and yeah, we got one of these for Kingston. Look. So we're going to set that up now because he loves little hide and seek houses.
it's great food.
Hey, we're in Kingston's house. This is your house. Do you live here?
Yeah.
Is this where you're going to sleep tonight?
Yeah.
You're going to sleep in here?
Yeah. I got nothing.
No, nice. What's he doing, Kai? What's he doing, Kai? You just wake up.
Yeah.
You just wake up. Did you just wake up?
Yeah.
Leftover chicken paella for lunch. Yum! I'm going to do a really quick IKEA haul. I didn't get too much today, but I did see a few things that I wanted to get soon. I just showed you guys us putting up this massive circus tent for the boys. They love it. It's definitely not going to be staying out in the lounge. Once the excitement wears off, I'll probably put it into Kingston's room. But I also got this coffee mug. How cute. It's actually glass, but I'm hoping this will fit my cup holder in the car this time round. Kingston, did you get that panda bear? It took him so long to decide which teddy he wanted because there was so many there, and Kai got this one, a little sunshine cushion. He was literally attached to it the whole time we were at IKEA. And then I just got a couple of these big bowls right here. I don't know, they're pretty big, but I was thinking for salads or soup because I don't really have any big bowls. They're more like small cereal bowls. Then I just got a mixing bowl. Well, I got this so me and Kingston can have a big bowl to mix all our muffin mixes and all that in because we don't really have one. And then I just got a candle which smells so good, and it was only like $5. I also picked up a couple of pairs of shoes for Kingston yesterday from Target. These were one of them. He is now a size 10, you guys, like his feet. And then these little khaki sneakers are also the other pair that I picked up from Target. They had some cute shoes. And yeah, Kingston has grown out of all his shoes. So what are you looking for? Oh yeah, I got a stop the timer thing as well because you want to open it?
Yeah.
Because I want to do the 5-minute makeup challenge and just see if I can actually do it. So we are getting ready to now head up to my parents' house. We're going to go cook my dad some dinner and hang out with him. My mum works away, so he has a lot of time to himself, and they live like an hour and 20 minutes away from me almost. So yeah, I want to go up, cook him some dinner, take the kids up, have a play. They have a nice big backyard, and that's probably all we're going to be doing, hanging around the fireplace and chilling out. I've got my chill out clothes on right now, my trackies, one of Anton's jumpers. I honestly feel the cold so easily, like I'm so cold all the time. So I need to wear like super warm clothes when I go up the hill because it's freezing up there. And the weather was crazy last night, like non-stop raining, crazy winds. But yeah, we're gonna head up there tonight. So I thought I might just end this little shopping sort of vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a bit of a random shopping vlog. But if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.